Hello! Today we will talk about how to configure the Elgo positioning system with a 4.0 series controller. First of all, let's figure out what the Elgo system is designed for. The device allows you to find out the position of the cabin and ensures its floor stopping accuracy. The height of the cabin is determined by a magnetic strip placed in the encoder device and along which the reader slides. The absolute encoder system is approved by the EU, SIL3, TÜV and UKCA certification bodies. Let's see what is inside the Elgo absolute encoder kit. The reader, cable for signals and safety circuits connection, a mounting set for the cabin, straight brackets for arched systems, or L-shaped brackets for chair lifting systems or for mounting directly to the ceiling and floor, and a magnetic strip whose length is equal to the height of the shaft. An additional cable is supplied in case of stations conforming to EN 8121 or if a UCM system is present via a pre-active device, for example, a Montanaro speed limiter. The Elgo system is a safety system as well, so the reader's programming is only done in factory. Therefore, please pay close attention to the correctness of the data you send us. Elevator speed, standards applicable to the elevator system, data on the reduced overall dimensions of the pit and the head. The absolute encoder allows you to replace almost all security elements inside the elevator shaft. Now, let's see how to install and configure the positioning system. First of all, please make sure that you removed all magnets in the shaft, that you're not using magnetized tools or welding equipment near the magnetic strip. To install the tape in the reader, observing the direction indicated on the strip. We will install and fix the magnetic tape fasteners to the guides. To avoid impact, place the brackets above the edge mark of the cabin path. We temporarily fix the Elgo reader on the cabin. Now insert the magnetic strip into the device. The part with the inscription should be turned towards the reader and fix the endings of the strip in the slots provided in the brackets. Now you can adjust the position of the device with a strap if necessary, using the extension cord included in the kit. The tape should be stretched and form kind of a bend, but not touch the plastic tab at the top of the device. We have now installed an absolute encoder and are moving on to the device configuration step. We switch on the controller and observe the various LEDs located next to the playpad. They will help us understand whether the device is working correctly. For detailed explanations, please visit our product page on the Dido website. Now we need to go through the shaft learning procedure. If there's not enough space in the installation, we recommend to make the manual learning from outside the lift shaft. To start the procedure, the lift must be in temporary operation. At first, the procedure consists of two stages: manual and automatic learning. Make sure that the controller's display shows the system in temporary mode, 3 purple LEDs. Put the switch of the inspection box in inspection position. Press the up button and bring the elevator to the highest position in the counterweight must be placed on the buffer. Press the up and down buttons 3 times at the same time on the inspection box. The Elgo device goes into learning mode. The playpad displays a flashing wait message. If an Elgo error appears, go to the Dido troubleshooting page. The mode LED turns on and an acoustic feedback can be heard, a beep every 2 seconds. This acoustic signal will stay active during the whole procedure of the first phase. A flashing message will appear on the programmer with the text "Top". Simultaneously press the up and down buttons on the inspection box, again 3 times, to fix the highest point of the shaft for Elgo. The device will emit a long acoustic feedback and a green signal will light up on the inspection box, top right, confirming that the data of the upper limit of the shaft has been recorded. Now you see a flashing message, floor N, where N is the highest floor whose height you're going to record. Bring the cabin to the highest floor. At the same time, press the up and down buttons on the inspection box 3 more times to record the floor level inside Elgo. The device will respond with a brief beep and confirm that the floor data has been recorded. A flashing message, floor N-1, appears on the playpad. N-1 is the floor that you're going to record. Repeat the previous procedure until you reach the lowest floor. After recording the lowest floor, you see a flashing message, bottom, on the playpad. Now you need to move the cabin to the lowest point of the shaft, cabin on the buffers. We'll register the lowest point by simultaneously pressing the up and down buttons on the inspection panel 3 times. The Elgo device will confirm the data recording with a long beep. Now a flashing message, arrow up, appears on the playpad. This means that you must raise the elevator to the level of the lowest floor. At this stage, the controller will switch Elgo to normal operating mode. A flashing wait message appears on the playpad. Now you need to wait about 10 seconds until the program is updated to 100% and the number of the lowest floor is shown. Elgo stops beeping and switches to the operating mode. Before switching the elevator to normal operation, it is necessary to perform the automatic learning procedure. In this case, the correct upper and lower levels of the stops will be set for each floor. Therefore, we stop the elevator on the lower floor, load the cabin with a load equal to half the load capacity, go to the counting menu and look for the auto setting item. For the absolute encoder, the Elgo, select a value according to the shaft length. Number of pulses 1, maximum 65 meters, resolution 1 millimeter. Number of pulses 2, maximum 130 meters, resolution 2 millimeters. Then the length of the magnets, the length of the door zone. Confirm the number of floors, set the nominal speed of the elevator and the speed in teach mode. By default, the parameter is equal to the nominal speed. And finally, enter the value yes to start the procedure. Now, turn the inspection box switch to the normal position. The elevator starts moving automatically up and down, stopping at each floor in both directions. When the elevator returns to the lower floor, The controller is ready for normal operation. Now, in order for the system to work correctly, you need to perform the procedure for setting the floor stopping accuracy. In the system menu, select the normal mode. The third LED is green. Using the playpad directly in the controller or connected to the top of cardboard, you must enter the counting menu and go to the floor level item. Use the left/right keys to select the floor for which you want to adjust the height. The value displayed in the lower right corner indicates the current position in millimeters. Now press the Enter key. We can increase or decrease the specified position height using the up/down keys and press Enter to save the updated value. To check the actual stopping accuracy, call the elevator to the floor where the adjustments were made. If necessary, you will have to repeat the procedure for adjusting the stopping accuracy until you are completely satisfied. The same procedure should be applied for each floor. I hope I was helpful for you. Keep up to date. Subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.